Ruby, what do you think about your avocado? No, my avocado is not great. And I've got this is my cantaloupe with oatmeal and cinnamon spore. But I will take my spoon. Yes. Got it. Here, Daddy, let's try another one. You ready? Ready? Here we go. Look at the necklace. Look at the necklace. Ah! Try and put the necklace in your mouth and open your mouth. This is how Mommy and Daddy tag team on the feeding. No, we do not like that. Look at this. You will not continue to get me over and over.
Okay, get it closer.
I think she's getting tired of this.
One more bite.
Alright, we're good.
Good job, Ruby, you did it.
She ate so much. She ate almost all of her cantaloupe and what is that, oatmeal with cinnamon, and her little avocado. She had 2 bites, so we'll just save that for later. And you can have your necklace. I was so good. Say hi, Ruby. Ruby.
Say hi, Ruby. What's up?
Hi, you. Ah! Ah! Let's show everybody a pretty smile. Ah! No, I dropped my necklace. Did you retrieve 2 spoons, John?
Got one.
Okay. Ah. You have not pleased the family.